Can the Supreme Court employ its powers under Article 142 of the Constitution to impose timelines and prescribe the manner of conduct of governors and presidents on how to act on state bills? That's the big question that President Draupadi Murmu has placed before the Supreme Court. President Murmu has sent a presidential reference to the Supreme Court under Article 143, asking it to clarify on the options before the governor when a bill is presented to them under Article 200. The presidential reference has asked if judicial orders can dictate by what time and how the president and governor should function under Articles 200 and 201. President Murmu's move to seek clarity comes after a Supreme Court judgment in a petition filed by the Tamil Nadu government challenging the governor's delay in clearing 10 repassed bills and his action to reserve them for consideration by the president. On the 8th of April this year, the Supreme Court declared Tamil Nadu Governor R.N. Ravi's prolonged refusal to give his assent to 10 bills as illegal and erroneous in law. In a landmark verdict, Justices J.B. Pardiwala and R. Mahadevan declared the governor's actions as unconstitutional and invoked Article 142 to set timelines for the president and the governors to act on state bills. President Murmu listed 14 detailed questions to the court. Among them are these. What are the constitutional options before a governor when a bill is presented to him under Article 200 for assent? Is the governor bound by the aid and advice tendered by the Council of Ministers? Is the exercise of constitutional discretion by the governor under Article 200 justiciable? Can judicial orders impose timelines and manner of exercise of powers of the President under Article 201? Can the constitutional powers of the President or governors be substituted by a judicial order exercising Article 142? Is Article 142 limited to matters of procedural law, or does it extend to issuing directions, quote, contrary to or inconsistent with existing substantive or procedural provisions of the Constitution, unquote. The reference is dated 13th of May, the last working day of Justice Khanna as the Chief Justice of India. Now, Chief Justice B.R. Gavai would form a constitution bench to answer these questions.